stand with confidence among the nations of the world. And then came the season when the nation stood face to face with its own vulnerability. An unforgiving illness descended upon the land with devastating force. Entire homes fell silent, children buried by their own parents. The nation began to fear tomorrow. Botswana was losing lives, Botswana was losing possibility. But Remugai stood firm, deeply rooted like an acacia tree, fashioned to confront the unforgiving winds of a nation in distress. He spoke honestly with silence when silence would have been easier. Botswana and her people are perishing, he would say with painful clarity, refusing to allow the nation to hide from its own anguish. The same discipline with which he had safeguarded the nation's economic foundations now turned toward the preservation of human life. He rallied institutions, he rallied